Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. My name is Aruj. I am very happy to see you today. In this video, you will learn how to introduce yourself in English. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand me easily. Introducing yourself is very important. We introduce ourselves when we meet new people. We introduce ourselves at school, at work, and in daily life. So today, let's learn simple and easy English for self-introduction. Let us start with the most basic sentence. You can say, "Hi, my name is Aruj." Again, "Hi, my name is Aruj." This sentence is very easy and very useful. You can change the name and use your own name. For example, "Hi, my name is Aisha." Now, let us add where you are from. You can say, "Hi, my name is Aruj and I am from Pakistan." Again, slowly. "Hi, my name is Aruj and I am from Pakistan." You can also say your city name. For example, "Hi, my name is Aisha and I am from Karachi." Now, let us talk about what you do. If you are a student, you can say, "Hi, my name is Aruj. I am a student." You can also add your school or college. For example, "Hi, my name is Aruj. I am a student at college." If you are working, you can say, "Hi, my name is Aruj. I am a teacher." Or, "Hi, my name is Aruj. I work in an office." This sounds polite and professional. Now, let us learn a formal introduction. You can use this in meetings or interviews. You can say, "Good morning. My name is Aruj." Again, "Good morning. My name is Aruj." You can also say, "Good afternoon. My name is Aruj." Now, let us talk about hobbies. Hobbies are things you like to do in your free time. You can say, "In my free time, I like reading." Or, "In my free time, I love cooking." For example, "Hi, my name is Aruj. In my free time, I love reading books." Now, let us practice a full introduction together. Listen carefully. "Hi, my name is Aruj. I am from Pakistan. I am a student. In my free time, I like reading and learning English. Nice to meet you." Very good. Now, some important tips. Number 1, speak slowly. Number 2, speak clearly. Number 3, smile while speaking. Number 4, be confident. Do not be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes help us learn. Now it is your turn. Please write your introduction in the comments. I will read it and support you. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Take care.